What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld San Antonio, and it's going to be a quick visit as we're here just for the coasters. Let's go! Ta-da! We're in, and it's kind of neat. Aquatica and Discovery Point over there. Got the main park right here. It's a hot one. Somewhere around 100 degrees, feels like at 106. Yeah, Texas is hot. And the first roller coaster of the day is going to be Super Grover's Boxcar Derby. Yeah, I know, kids coaster, but hey, let's do it. Alright, so just did Super Grover's Boxcar Derby, and it's a kids coaster. Can't really review that one too much. Something interesting though, out of all of the SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment parks that I've been to, Williamsburg, San Diego, Orlando, they allow wrist-mounted and chest-mounted GoPros on the rides. Apparently, Super Grover, too intense. Ride Up didn't like that I had a GoPro. Next roller coaster up, Steel Eel. Let's do it. Not exactly busy. I'm alright with that. And our chariot has arrived. Oh, and by the way, they're letting me use a GoPro on this one. So just did Steel Eel, the Morgan coaster. It's an older style ride, and you can feel it. It's designed almost like it was with coat hangers. Transitions are a little weird, a little wonky, but really good airtime over the top of the hills. Good speed. The brakes at the very end though, slam. I mean, you come to a very abrupt stop, but overall Steel Eel, good ride, and I love the paint job on it. A couple years ago when I was last here, did not look as vibrant and beautiful. So good job SeaWorld on that one. Scale of 1 to 10 on this one, probably give it a 7.5. Now we're on our way to our next coaster. And here we go. Waybreaker time. Pretty neat looking ride. Here we go.
Please remain seated. Favor de mantenerse sentado.
All right, trainers. Looks like you've been assigned a sea turtle rescue mission. Are you ready? Sit up straight, eyes forward, and hold on tight. Oh yeah, good luck.
Simulation sequence initiated. Trainees, please face forward and prepare to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
just did Waybreaker, the rescue coaster, and it's a decent ride. I do like that it's the Intamin straddle coaster, good launches, tight turns, but the best part, it's all over water pretty much. And the views are phenomenal. Not the craziest launch, but it's a good one. Good family style ride. I actually kind of like it more than the Steel Eel. So yeah, probably an 8 on that one. Next roller coaster up, gonna be Great White. B&M invert. Just like all the Batmans at Six Flags or Goliath. It's about 15 minutes down the road. Kind of interesting, there's 2 of them. So close to each other. Alrighty guys, just a Great White, the B&M invert. Awesome G-forces. Again, most of these style of rides, super powerful. Got the blood tingling in the toes, and very compact turns. Inversions are good. You really can't go wrong with one of these style of rides. Scale of 1 to 10, probably an 8.5 on that one. I actually kind of like it a little bit more than the one down the road. Felt a little bit smoother on this one at least. Next roller coaster, Texas Stingray. Last time I was here, it was from Media Day for this attraction. It's good to be back. And our chariot has arrived. Done with Texas Stingray, and I can honestly say without a doubt that is the best roller coaster here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Crazy airtime, tight turns, love the tunnel. It's a wooden coaster and it's super smooth. Love the layout from GCI, and Yeah, it is the best coaster here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Scale of 1 to 10 on that one, 9.5. It's really good. In fact, I think I'm gonna go ride it again in a little bit. That good. And now we're at the best part of SeaWorld San Antonio, the pink chicken exhibit. Yeah! Next up, Journey to Atlantis. Again, terrible weights today.
This one I did, yeah. Earlier it wasn't as great. I know me neither. I know the first one.
I got scared on that part. Like I always got scared.
I'm gonna get soaked. It won't be bad.
Hey, can we go backwards?
I think it'd be cool if they did.
Let's go backwards.
Like one time forward and then backwards. Oh my god, here goes nothing, bro. There you go.
Journey to Atlantis, all done. I am not completely soaked. Pretty much got from my chest up. Good ride, very short, not like the one in Orlando. No theming really, but the splash definitely needed today. With it being somewhere around 107, feels like 100 degrees actual. It was boiling here in Texas today. Now I feel so much better thanks to Journey to Atlantis. Good ride, probably only like a 7 though, maybe though, as far as like overall. But I needed that cool down. Thank you. guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld San Antonio. They have a nice little collection of roller coasters, and I had a chance to stay for the summer events. Love the shows, love the rides, and we're going to be back here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.